My name is Hannah Green, and my major is business, mainly marketing. I am more of a sophomore right now. I should be a junior, or actually a senior. I do work full time. I'm currently opening and managing a all women's fitness studio in Jones Creek. Kind of doing this whole college work thing backwards, but you gotta do it for the money.
I am Hannah, and today I will be demonstrating horizontal tables in Excel. So we're going to start with what we know are given, that is our zip. That's 30008 into cell B3, and we press enter. So we'll be using the HLOOKUP function to determine the city, so associated with our zip right there in B3. So we want to start with the equal sign. This tells computer that we want it to do a function. We use HLOOKUP and open paren. The open paren will bring up the arguments that we needed to fill to find the HLOOKUP, the city. So the first is lookup value, that's our B3, that's our given. So B3, comma, you add the comma and it'll bring you to the next argument, which is table array. This is asking you, where are we pulling this information from? What is the area? So we want to start with the row that we know, that will be the row 11. So we'll go B11, colon. Colon tells you that we want to use all of that row to all the way to CZ22, which is the whole table, as you can see, not including that first row with the counties. So now it's asking us for the row index number. What are we looking for? We want the city. So we want to start with what we know being the first row, the zip, and so the city would be the second. So we'll put 2, comma, and then we have 2 options, true or false. True will give you around the number that we want, approximate, but false is exact, and that's what we'll be using. So false, close that, paren, and press enter. And as you can see, 30008 is in the city of Marietta, so we did do that correctly. And our next step we'll be doing is demonstrating the XLOOKUP function to determine the county that is associated for our zip code over there in B3. So again, this is a function. We'll start with the equal sign, and we're using XLOOKUP, open paren. All right. So our first argument is our lookup value. That's our given. That's our B3. In our lookup array, we want to start with the row that we know. So we'll start right there with that zip row, C11, colon, so we're doing that whole row. Or not the whole row, but we're going to stop at F11 because that is the end of our necessary information that we need. Comma, our return array, this is what we are looking for. So we're trying to find the county. So that is row 10, colon. So we do it to the F because that's the end of our necessary information that we need for this function. And we'll close it, press enter. And as you can see, it pulled up Cobb County, and we can check it, and that is correct. Using the SUMIF function to determine how many tax filers are in the county, Cobb County, that we just determined in cell B5. So we're doing a function again. So we'll do the equal sign, tell computer that we want to do a function. We're doing SUMIF, open paren, get the arguments up. And so what we're looking for is the range here. So our first range is the counties in row 10. So we want to do a $sign. And the $sign means that we just want all of that row. So we did $sign C10, and we do all the way to $sign again, CZ10. 10, so the end of that row. We'll put our comma, and then our criteria is our Cobb County information that we just figured out in B5. Alright, and then our sum range. And that is going to be our row 11, our zip codes. And so we will do, once again, the $sign, so we have the whole row. We'll do C11 to $sign, CZ11. Close that parentheses and press enter. Alright, imperfect. And I also want to show you that if we change the zip code, the information in cell B4 and B5 will also become accurate and switch. So let's do in our cell B3, so 30236, press enter. Alright, and as you can see, it did pull up the correct city, so let's go over and look for that zip code, 30236, that's Jonesboro. And to get this county in B5 correct, we would have to extend it all the way to the BC, so we can do that. Let's do it. So instead of F, we'll do the BC. And then again, for the return array, enter. Alright, and it says Clayton County. Let's check it. And that is indeed correct. Alright, beautiful. And so the next thing I want to do is a horizontal sort left to right. And so what we want to do is start in cell C10. We don't want to get all of our labels in it. We just want data in the chart. So, oops. Try that again. Alright, let's get it. The very last is easy. Oops, shoot. We're happy again. Get it to CZ22. Cool. So now we have all that information. What we want to do is go up here to the ribbon, the data ribbon, click data. We'll go to sort. And my list does not have headers. I actually let those off for a reason. And we go to options. And we want to do sort from left to right. So we press OK. And we want to sort by row 10 on values from A to Z. And we'll press OK. And then now, as you can see, all of the counties are in alphabetical order. And everything is looking good. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk today. I just have a little joke here. And that is, how did the chicken cross the road? And I'm sure you know it's just to get the other side. Go about his daily functions. Functions, huh? Alright, thank you.